manipulative bastard deceived you! And you kept this away from me all these years. Why?
It was a spur from my decision. I was carried away with the excitement of having an heir to the throne of my fathers. And that took away my sense of reasoning.
So what do we do now? Count me out of this. I'm not a party to this. He played a smart one on you. So meet him man to man and tell him no.
It's not as easy as you think.
So what do you want? You want me to move in with him as his wife? God forbid. I will never and can never marry that old manipulative bastard. I will not be his wife. Let ever fall. Please come. What is it again? The prince.
My son.
Are you sure about this?
Of course.
Are you sure?
He just needs to rest some more now. And he'll be fine.
Doctor, I thank you very much for coming to treat my boy in short notice. Don't worry, my driver will take you to your destination.
Anything might make it.
Doctor, are you sure it's going to be fine?
Of course. It's just a minor case. There's nothing to worry about.
Princess, it's over. You just have to be positive at this point. Please.
I'll be my way now.
Thank you, Doctor.
In a twinkling of an eye, my world is crumbling at me.
My king! You know you're not supposed to do this at this time. I beg of you. You have to be strong for us, please. Musa, may you eat. Musa, see your food, may you eat. Wait till they never see for this life before.
Mama, I'm not hungry.
Huh?
If I want to eat, I will come inside.
I beg you, may you eat. So if you say every disappointment is a blessing, may you eat.
Mama, take this thing away from here. I don't want to eat.
Good evening, Mama.
Thank God.
Musa.
Just go.
How is everything?
Let me talk to you. Since we come from where we go, never eat. Water I not drink, just sit down like this is. Huh? Let me talk to her.
Mama, that's the more reason why I lock my shop. I said, let me come and check on him. No, sir. It's okay. Mama, it's not easy to snap out of such situations.
Now let that girl do this way. Huh? No, do you pass. If you see say no good, you pass and go back. I beg my pocket.
Mama, it's okay. Go inside. Let me talk to my friend. Go inside.
Okay.
Sir.
Chill.
Okay.
Do you know the disgrace, the humiliation it will give to me and my family today?
But it's not the end of the world.
I know.
Huh?
I know.
No problem. Come on. Chill.
I heard it. Thank you.
Godo tuwele mo, iya godo tuwele o, ya bongodo, ya bongodo. Awodo tuwele oko. Yabomodo rodo tuwe. Yabomodo. Wado oko meme. Wado ramona o. Ekme amodo. Nekme ayamodo. Orimwe no dume ma. Omo no dume ma ne. Odo magiere mu. Rundawe. Agbek momo. Amwek momo, hey, no gbek momo we nege ya foro, adegera mano, ijega no, iya bomudo, godo tuwe ne boma, iya bomudo, godo tuwe, iya bomudo, iwe no wali emwefwe, ya gbabo kerede. Keredede, ibagi babo, kede o, keredede. Who are you with? Keredede, agbabo, kede o, keredede.
Mama now. Mama, I've always told you not to go to the farm yourself. I'm here to always help you. She won't listen. Just see the way she opens her door down. I'll just wait for her a little. But we're going to have problem. Eh? She just loves to stress herself. She just likes stress. Good afternoon.
Are you looking for somebody?
I'm here to see Mama.
Have you not heard? Mama died yesterday.
What? Mama is dead?
Yes. And her body had been taken to her village. This is my grandfather's house. And my father has me to lock the door.
No! Mama can't die! Mama can't die! Wait! Hey! Wait! What did I just hear? Mama is dead? Mama, what is this? Ah! Jesus Christ! Mama! Oh no! Wait for me! Wait!
What do you want? What have you come to do? To say goodbye or what?
Love doesn't say goodbye. I've come to see the face of the man I love and to ask if he truly loves me.
And then what? Go back to your betrothed? Tuan, have you come to mock me or what?
I'm sorry. I was wrong. I thought you loved me.
Tuan, I love you. I still do.
Then fight. Fight for me. No, sir, fight for us. Fight for your love. Fight for the one you truly loves. Fight for your pride. Fight!
Gẹ̀dẹ́gbẹ̀ o, ọ̀pẹ ẹ̀gògò. Gẹ̀dẹ́gbẹ̀ o, ọ̀pẹ màgbà. Gẹ̀dẹ́gbẹ̀ o, ọ̀pẹ ẹ̀gògò. Gẹ̀dẹ́gbẹ̀ o, ọ̀gàṣẹ́gọ́pà tọ́pà fìẹ́. When it is time for the cock to crow, nothing can stop it. My seed has germinated. Not even a mortal king can stop me now. I am Oriri, one who crosses the 7 seas without the waters touching my feet. I will bring her back. I will bring her back. I will bring her back. For the blood of a royal virgin is divine and more precious than gold. Uwadiae is your fool. Uwadiae is your fool. Uwadiae is your fool. Uwadiae is your fool. Ah! Ebonana gbogbo ede hehe. Ah! When I ve high. Uwadiae is your fool. Uwadiae is your fool.
Now, you're just gonna sit down there and watch your only son die. Please, do something. Don't let him die. Beg you, I beg you.
God of our forefathers, we salute you. We are here for a help. Wamioe, Omono Ragmo Remia. Gege, Obameji. Oyeku. We don't want to talk about it. This illness will not take his life. But this prince can only get well again if the right thing is done. What does the God say? Nika, wage. You sold to a very dangerous deity years ago. And it's time for you to fulfill your pledge. His illness will get worse. And then the queen will get sick. And then our first male of this village will be affected. What? Unless you stop it.
Wise one, is there nothing that can be done to stop this?
Enika, wage. Well, I'm afraid now. The deity has kept you a virgin to date for this purpose.
Adesua,
Nene,
prepare her for her husband's house. This is a huge sacrifice, but it must be done so that these things just stop.
Over my dead body, I will never be a party to this. Excuse me, this is what, please. Hell. searched for her everywhere. I've been to her room, it's empty. And the dining and food is untouched. It's where I find her.
Guards! Okay, now talk to her.
Where is the princess?
Your Highness, I saw her leaving the compound and she said she was going to...
And you did not stop her?
I'm sorry, Your Highness, I didn't know I was supposed to stop her. But she said she was going to get recharge card herself.
You are such a fool. How dare you! You will go into the community in search of its own. You will move everywhere and you will not forget to go to Nusa's house. When you get there, you will bundle both of them and you bring them back here to the palace. Is that clear?
Yes, Your Highness.
Get out.
Be fast! What are we going to do now? Hey!
I still don't understand you. Are you sure this thing is going to work?
My love, it will work. Don't forget I have connections. Let's just go. We don't have time and I don't want to lose you.
Are you saying I should just pack my bags without telling my mom and just go with you like that?
Okay, where's your mom? Where is she?
My mom and my younger one went to church.
Then let's go and see her. Call her. Just call her. We are traveling now. Do it. There's no time.
Hello, mom. Yeah, it will use our connection to get me a job, and the MD of the company said I should be on my way to another state. He said we should be coming now, so I just said I should tell you. When I get there, I will let you know. When I get there, I will definitely call. Tell me, it's okay. Thank you. I'll call you back.
Come on, what did I do? Move!
What's wrong with you? Leave him alone! Hello! What is wrong with you? Leave him alone! Leave him alone! Leave him alone! Are you mad? What is wrong with you? Leave him alone! Okay, let's go! Let's go! Let's see what's...
Ran away from the palace to go and meet a man while my son is lying down dying, and you went with a thief.
No, sir, is not a thief.
You shut your mouth. If he's not a thief, why was he running away with another man's wife?
It's one. I am disappointed. You heard what the priest said. You, our only remedy. And you could do this to us. Why? My queen, enough! You cannot use your emotional blackmail on me. It won't work.
Guards!
Yes, Your Highness.
And you, coconut head. Now listen. You will lock him up in a dark, dry place. There will be no food. There will be no water. Till I change my mind. Now move it.
Your Highness, you can't do this. Your Highness, you can't do this to me. What did they do? My queen, not to my father. Like that, you like it or not. A corporal. You will be in your husband's house. And that is final. My queen, this is very unfair. No! Your Highness! Brother, this is unfair! My queen, talk to your husband! Why are you doing this to me? Bring him back!
So bonu dede ubi, so bonu dede Iwe so bonu dede ubi so bonu dede ubi ubi so bonu dede
What next?
We will wait. I'm very sure my son will be fine in a few days.
And beside your prisoner?
He will wait too. I don't trust my sister. She can come up with any of her fun games.
I still cannot believe that this whole episode is happening. I can't believe this.
Mommy.
Hey! Jesus! My baby! My baby! My baby! Oh my goodness! Are you okay?
My son.
Baby, you okay?
You're fine. You're fine.
Baby, are you okay?
Any cow!
Baby! Are you fine? Are you sure?
Clap my hands.
Oh, Jesus! Thank you, Jesus! Thank you, Jesus!
Ooh, why is it that when little things are explained to you people, you will not take it like that? Look, let me warn you, my dear. Don't come and make me look like one who doesn't know what he's doing. Or eh? Is it not 2 bottles I gave to you? The blue bottle or the dark one. That one is what you will use in the night. The other one, the white bottle, is for early morning or if you.
My husband.
My beautiful, wonderful, fantastic wife.
Do you mind if I sit with you?
Not at all. Let's go. Come on, sit down. Don't. It's my dear. Hey, I am sorry that it had to be like this. Mahon.
There's nothing to be sorry about. My elder brother made a promise and courtesy demands he fulfills his promise. I've realized the earlier I accept my destiny, the better for all of us. I'm very okay with my recent status. I'm fine.
Oh, Samenu Dazi, Oriole Akpama, Ogo Vanera, Adakami Orunyo Bianwoku. It cannot be a way, no be. Look, Papa God, or if you like, you take my life tomorrow morning. I'm okay. I'm fulfilled. You look, Ito. I will make you the envy of all the women in this community. The cynosure of all eyes. Many tidy way. Really? I can even take you on vacation to anywhere in the world. Anywhere in the world. Even if you want to go to the coven, I will take you there.
That's so sweet. Thank you. My husband.
Thank you, my dear. Itoha, what will you eat now? Aka, wakawa. There is a kebuzo. Odegbe is also there. Then you go to my room. The pillow that is inside. Raise the pillow. You will see a bundle of 50,000 naira. Imagine. Yes.
My husband.
No,
Please
sir,
come. Your food is ready. I've prepared a delicious egusi soup for you. Your favorite soup. My husband.
I had to fix a few things there.
Oh, really? I hope you didn't stress yourself too much.
Yeah. So I was.
You see? Just as you know.
No, we're muke guarida.
I know.
Hey, Nana.
Yeah. I'll serve you water.
Yeah. Wash your hands and let us eat together.
No, my husband, I'm full. I mean, you don't expect me to prepare this delicious meal and not eat in the kitchen. It's not possible. I've eaten, my husband. Enjoy. This is for you.
Oma.
Enjoy.
Omonku. Are maka ubi uki uwagwale. Wagwale.
Enjoy your meal, my husband. Mama. Mama, do you know that the princess has been taken to her betrothed? Mama. Till now as we speak, Nosa's number is not reachable.
It can't be true. Nosa tell me say princess see job for her for another state. He said if they reach there, they'll call me.
Faith. Mama, my source can never lie. My source cannot lie. Mama, let me tell you something. Mama John confirmed it to me that she saw them with her own eyes.
Iwaku. Mama,
hold it there. This is not time to cry. Mama, go inside, dress. Let's go to Enoge's palace. Nosa might be there. To go for Nosa now.
The lizard thinks itself a crocodile, but yet the crocodile eats the lizards. What ingredients did you use for this food? That was a beautiful one, sweet and delicious. Please continue to use it for my food. Mom, do you think that ordinary food poisoning can kill me? Me, Oriri, the indestructible, the forehead of the tiger? Oh, very, very unfortunate. But it's okay. Keep using the same ingredients, or even more. Or why talk bad? Or why talk bad? Agwabokage ya van wiyeri ogogo. Oh, se uma ugeo. Ogogo ga de ga van le. Oh, se uma ugeo. Oh boy, Allah.